Ever had users open your app and feel completely lost? Too many buttons, no clear direction, and within seconds, they exit. That's exactly why most users drop off. But imagine if your app could talk back, guiding every user like a friendly assistant. Meet Page Pilot, the no-code way to create interactive in-app stories that make every journey simple, visual, and fun. No developers, no setup stress, just drag, drop, and bring your app to life. Design stories that blend seamlessly into your app with animated cards, tooltips, polls, and quick walkthroughs tailored to user actions. Show what's new, highlight key features, or onboard users effortlessly, all through short, swipeable stories.
With Page Pilot, your app doesn't just work, it communicates. Boost engagement, improve retention, and keep users coming back. Page Pilot, engage, guide, grow.
To contact us, please visit our website, email us, or call us.